Hey everyone, Mark Anthony back, and today I'm going to talk a little bit about Shiba Inu and the SHIB burn portal that was launched over the weekend, and give an update on that. Follow up on some previous videos that I made, and just the headline as it reads: 1.46 billion Shiba Inu burnt in 24 hours. Wow. So we're going to get into that. We're going to talk about my thoughts on this, and we're going to look at some things with the Shiba Inu moving forward long term. If you have not done so, please slap that subscribe button, like this video, leave some comments down below. It means a lot to the channel. We're trying to grow, and we need all of you to do so. But let's get down to it. Shiba Inu is everyone's favorite, okay? Famous for the people being able to take, you know, a couple dollars here and there's the Shiba Inu millionaires, okay? So I want to talk about the burn portal launch and give an update. So 17.01 billion, so 17 billion in some change burned since the portal was launched, okay? 1.46 billion in the last 24 hours, all right? So this is the driving force of trying to achieve Shiba Inu's goal to reduce their supply to drive their token price higher, okay? So Shiba is all about the burn, all right? And they're facilitating ways through the metaverse, through the burn portal, and it's not going to stop there because they have a ton of tokens, and to get where they're going to and fulfill their, you know, their plans as a token, they need to burn a ton of tokens, all right? So for those of you that are not familiar with how this works, the burning of tokens, it's just simple supply and demand, reduces the supply, increasing the demand, driving the token price higher, and these tokens that will be going to a burn wallet basically cannot be used ever again, all right? So that's how that's the basically the cliff notes on how burning works. If you want to look into more, you can check other tokens out, and there's a lot of information out there with how other tokens and coins use burning as a avenue to facilitate token growth. So this update. Also want to note that the Shiba Inu whales that everybody likes to track they just keep buying SHIB, okay? So during this time period where this burn portal has been launched, okay, $7 million in two separate transactions has been accumulated of SHIB. So definitely money's still moving in, and there's a lot of people that may see the long-term value of this burning, okay? A lot of people focus on the burning, and they're quick to note that, you know, billions and billions of tokens have been burned, and it doesn't really seem to move the price. Well, you know, it's kind of just that psychological effect where, you know, people say a million and they just think some, you know, a million doesn't necessarily mean value. So it's going to take a lot of burning to get where they're going. And that's why this burn portal has been established. But that's a quick update on the burn portal. We're going to get in, take a brief look at the chart before I give you my thoughts on something else that's brewing with Shiba Inu. However, we are down about 5%. This is as of Wednesday morning at 7:30 Eastern time. You can see it's been kind of a slow fall, but still have been trading in that, like the that 2.2 to 2.5, 2.9 range. Like there really hasn't been too much fluctuation outside of those ranges, and this grid is consolidated really nicely over the past month or so. You even saw a big uptick back in February into the threes. So I'm definitely going to be looking at the Shiba Inu chart as burning continues. But wanted to just note that if you look right here, we are at this 2-3 level, okay, and there's 4 zeros, right? So this article briefly touches on the fact that back in 2021, on the 1st of January, if you were a $2.29 investor, okay, and held on for one full year, okay, you would have made $43 million 800,000% on the year. Okay, that is something that is unprecedented. In that takes penny stocks to a whole new level. Okay, so this phenomenon where we saw this rapid growth out of Shiba Inu, that many of us were blessed enough to achieve that return. This is the reality moving forward, and I don't mean to cast some doubt on Shiba Inu, but I just want to put something in the light, because you can't always just have good and sunshine being pumped. Sometimes you have to hear the other side of the coin. All right. So the problem with Shiba Inu is their supply issue, right? So at this 2.5 level, you see a valuation of $14.6 billion with their tokens in circulation. Okay, so everybody says, oh, the quest to $1, Shiba Inu to $1. Okay, like 10 years from now into 2032, we're going to hit $1 Shiba Inu coin. That would make a $589 trillion valuation for Shiba Inu. Okay, so to put that in perspective, Apple, the largest company in the world, has a market cap of $2.7 trillion as of today. Okay, so for Shiba Inu to achieve that $589 trillion valuation, it would have to be a 218 multiple of Apple. All right, so that's kind of like, that'll really blow your mind if you really dive into the finances and look at something on a macro scale. You start getting into some weird places with rationalization of money and where Shiba Inu can go and what it can grow to be. Okay, so, and here's another clog. Shiba Inu would be 6 times larger than the GDP of the entire world. Okay, so let's put that in perspective. All right. So basically what we're saying is, will this burn portal and other burning avenues that Shiba Inu comes out with, will they burn their way to take over the world from a financial streamlined token standpoint? Because that's what would have to happen to hit $1 and achieve the growth that was evident in 2021. Okay, so that's just something to wrap your mind around and use it kind of as a barometer moving forward when you incorporate just basic supply and demand into the tokenomics and how that compares to what you see on the charts and what people talk about and the headlines that you get on your phones and whatnot. My thoughts about it is, there are going to be ways for people eventually in crypto due to token supply running out to combat that issue and maybe achieve growth in an adapting manner. Okay, so similar to how the stock exchange works, stocks can split, create more shareholders, more stocks, and more investors. Although the price will go down, the whole goal is to grow the company by having more shareholders and eventually, get into that supply of the new shares from the splits. Okay, so really that defies basically all components of cryptocurrency. However, it's something worth noting that as Shiba Inu grows and tries to achieve all-time highs over and over, it's something worth noting that it may be something that they may have to adapt to, just as we're adapting to this burn portal. It's something very, hypothetical and very out of context for crypto, but it's something that may have to happen in some form. Maybe not be similar to a stock market move, but it's going to be something that there's going to have to be some evolution, or crypto may just kind of hit the end of the road when it comes to some of these meme coins. And I know a lot of people do not believe Shiba Inu is a meme coin. And quite frankly, there's some rumors behind Vitalik and Elon Musk being some of the proprietors of this coin in some form or another. So long term, definitely something to keep an eye on. I know everybody loves their Shiba Inu, so just want to hear your comments down below. Let me know what you think about this. And I think it's fair to establish a more conservative price point and expectation for investing in Shiba Inu long term. Just maybe not $1. So, let's cut it down a little bit, take just a few zeros off of this price and just have fun watching Shiba Inu grow. So if you haven't done so, please subscribe to this channel. It means the world for our growth, and looking forward to watching this chart and seeing how much tokens get burned. And we will have updates along the way. Thank you.